as vehicles get some age on them, some things start rusting out and they need to be replaced from time to time. As you can see on this particular 2008 Ford F250 with a 6.4 Power Stroke, the oil pan is really rusty. That's due to age. Some of it is due to the fact that this particular truck is a snowplow truck, so it gets a little extra salt on it from time to time, and those oil pans are really hard to get washed off and cleaned off. The customer noticed some oil dripping on their driveway, wasn't sure where it was coming from. Got it in here and lifted it up, and sure enough, the oil pan's getting rusted out and needs to be replaced. This particular vehicle, it can be a little bit bigger of a job because it can be difficult to get the rusty pan bolts out. Sometimes we have to take the pan out, and then there's an additional plate underneath of there that the bolts go into that has to be removed in order to get the bolts out. So it can be a little bit bigger job, nothing that we can't handle here at 3D Auto Repair. So if you have a vehicle that's leaking some oil, or maybe you're not sure if your oil pan's getting rusty and you don't want to have an issue like that, maybe a little preventative maintenance, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free inspection for that. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video so other people in your situation can get the information.